In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring back the old Steam UI in just a couple of minutes. If you updated Steam recently, you probably noticed the redesigned interface. While some people like the new layout, many users still prefer the classic Steam interface because it feels faster, simpler, and more familiar. The good news is that you can still launch Steam using the older interface with a simple shortcut tweak, and that's exactly what I'll walk you through step by step. This method is quick, safe, and doesn't require downloading any extra software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Make sure Steam is not running in the background before you continue. If Steam is open, go down to your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click the Steam icon and choose Exit Steam. This ensures the application is fully closed before we modify the launch settings. If Steam is still running while you try to apply this change, the old interface may not load properly, so it's important to start with Steam fully shut down. Next, locate your Steam desktop shortcut. Most users will have this directly on their desktop, but if you don't see it there, you can also find Steam by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once you locate the Steam shortcut, right-click on it and select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open the Steam shortcut settings window where you can modify how Steam launches on your computer. Inside the Properties window, look for the field labeled Target. This field shows the location of the Steam executable file that launches the application. What you want to do here is click at the very end of the text inside the target box. After the last quotation mark, press the spacebar once and then type the following launch command, -vgui. So it should appear as a space followed by -vgui at the end of the target line. This launch option tells Steam to open using the classic user interface instead of the newer redesigned one. After adding the command, click Apply and then click OK to save the change. Now simply double-click the same Steam shortcut you just edited. When Steam launches this time, you should notice that it loads the classic Steam interface instead of the newer layout. Everything should look like the familiar older version that many users prefer for its simplicity and performance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully brought back the old Steam UI using a simple launch option. Anytime you open Steam using that shortcut, it will continue launching with the classic interface. If you ever want to revert back to the newer UI, just go back into the shortcut properties and remove the -vgui text from the target field. If this video helped you bring back the old Steam interface, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam tips, software tutorials, and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.